Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day we will be looking at CAD yen. Alright, so CAD yen has a very nice configuration on the 4 hours. Okay, we see price actually sort of making lower lows, right? So we can at least expect price to having made this recent low, lower low compared to this one, we can expect price to push down, and price is coming back up. We can expect price to make another lower low and push lower, right, at least to the last swing low. Okay, so very quickly we have already determined our intraday target for the day, right? This can be our intraday take profit level. Now I just want to fine tune the entry and the stop loss, so let's quickly go down to the 1 hour. So on a 1 hour, clearly we can combine all this, these lower highs, alright, with a trend line. Okay, I'll take from here since this area and this area is more or less the same, so we can actually have a lower high like that. Try to touch as many candles as possible without cutting the candle body, and we see that price has actually done this sort of pullback, right? So we can use a retracement of the last swing high to swing low, okay, to find out where our entry will be. But eyeballing, I'm thinking this would be a nice level for entry, or if you want to be a bit more precise, you can do it in close and put our entry over here. So I'm expecting price to come back up to our entry, right? So let's do our retracement from high to low and open all Fibonacci ratios, but I'm thinking we could look at a 7640. Okay, so the 7640 is really at the spikes over here, right? So you can also back up your entry a bit, but not that much of a difference. You can just leave the entry over here, and of course very quickly we can play down all the way, right, to our intraday take profit. And we were to do a retracement from the low to high and open the 61.8, a key Fibonacci ratio. Okay, we have an interim, right, interim take profit over here, right? So this can be our first take profit, this can be our full take profit, and of course the stop loss is the level which we know for sure we are wrong. I'll put my stop loss just above the last swing high, okay, to give my trade a bit of room to breathe, and this works out to be a nice risk reward ratio of more than 2:1. Last but not least, you can also include, okay, RSI as an indicator, and if connecting all these highs, okay, we see that every time the RSI comes back to this descending trendline resistance, there is always a big drop, right? There's always a big drop, so we can expect a big drop that's about to happen soon as well. So that's all the time that we have for today's trade of the day on CAD yen. Wish you guys all the best. Take care, trade safe, and I'll catch you guys again. Thank you.